Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is oven grilled catfish with pepper sauce and fried yam. This recipe is a must try. Make sure you watch from the start till the end. Thank you for your support. So these are the stuff I'm going to use for my sauce: red bell pepper, ginger, garlic, scotch bonnet, and onions. This is my two catfish which I'm going to use. I'm going to use the lemon to wash it thoroughly. So now it's time for me to prepare the sauce. I added my onions and then the garlic. I'm going to let it fry for some seconds, and thereafter I'm going to add my pepper mix. It is very important to use the bell pepper. It gives it that unique taste. So I'm going to add my seasoning and then add some garlic powder and a little amount of salt. I'm going to stir and then cover to cook. I'm going to let this cook on a low heat for like 8 minutes. This is the sauce that I'm going to also use for the fish. I'm going to let it cook and then put it aside and let it cool off before adding it on my fish. And as you can see guys, the sauce is ready. I finished washing my fish. I didn't show that I really washed it thoroughly. I'm going to put some slices on the fish so that when adding the sauce, it will go right inside, like all the sauce will go in and your fish will taste real good. Yes, I continued adding the sauce to the fish. You can use foil paper for this fish, like to put in the oven, or your oven paper. Unfortunately, I don't have foil paper at home, so I decided to use the oven paper. So I'm going to continue rubbing the fish, and after that I'm going to flip aside and do the other side as well. As you can see, I forgot to cut that off from the mouth, so I'm going to cut it off. After that, I'm going to put it in the oven and let it grill. I'm going to flip it aside. As you can see here, the first part is ready. So now I'm going to flip it and then add a little more sauce so that it will go in. And as you can see guys, that's it. My catfish is ready. It is very well grilled. I also added some fried yam to it, and guys, the taste was just everything. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching from the start to the end. Please don't forget to share the video, like, comment, and also follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. Guys, come on, take a look at this. It looks so good. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.